Behind me at the Tesla store is the Cybertruck. This past weekend, the business unveiled the futuristic new car in 8 Chinese cities, including Beijing. Despite the intense competition from local brands, Tesla is still a favorite among EV drivers in this city. However, one of Tesla's accusations is that it doesn't update its models fast enough, particularly in comparison to some of its Chinese rivals in the Cybertruck market. Tesla has not formally said that the Cybertruck will visit China. In fact, Elon Musk has stated that it will be challenging, with regulations being one among the problems. Surroundings, particularly those near lorries. But one thing that caught the attention of many enthusiasts was that the Cybertruck's Chinese name omits the term truck, which is thought to be a hint that Tesla may eventually introduce the vehicle here. Units apart from the names and their meanings, I'm curious about the situation in China, about the eagerness to purchase anything that even somewhat resembles a pickup truck. In the US, pickup trucks are undoubtedly the most popular vehicle type. It's fascinating because there are a lot of laws surrounding it, and you really can't obtain a pickup truck here. If you can, you can't drive into the city, like into some of the more crowded regions. Interestingly, the name urban traveling wagon alludes to the fact that people love to drive these large cars and are often impressed by their size and appearance, describing it as an armored vehicle that people adore. However, due to regulation, these vehicles are not permitted in densely populated areas of the city. So while the name may not sound particularly catchy, it may help you avoid some of the regular hold-on-to-your-seat situations. People, buckle up for some riveting updates on Tesla's wild voyage through the financial world. What is behind the unusual excitement in Tesla stock today? You won't want to miss a minute of this exciting update, but before we get started, please do us a favor. In this video, we'll be peeling back the layers of mystery and suspense to reveal the secrets behind Tesla's electrifying surge. We've got the inside scoop on why Tesla stock is making waves in the market, from game-changing strategies to eye-popping gains. For the most recent updates, click the like button and subscribe to Tesla Insights. Now let's go into the realm of financial markets. The stock of Tesla is now rising by roughly 2.4. This is Tesla's best performance since December 21st, 2023. Notably, the stock has struggled to close up by even 1 for the entire year of 2024. Let's look into some breaking news that explains why Tesla's stock is rising by 2.5. Watchers may expect Tesla's capital expenditures to increase significantly in 2024, surpassing the staggering amount of $10 billion. In addition to predictions implied that spending in the next 2 fiscal years will primarily be in the $8-10 billion range. While preparing to reduce spending in 2025 and 2026, Tesla is increasing its investment this year. This calculated approach could increase earnings per share for Tesla's stock investment, better growth possibilities for the upcoming year. Even though this year's additional spending would have a short-term negative effect on Tesla's financial indicators, though it may present short-term issues, it's important to understand that the majority of this investment is exclusively focused on expanding manufacturing lines, particularly for the eagerly awaited Model 2. The news is even more significant because Tesla stock has been trading in oversold territory recently. This upward trajectory is having a profoundly positive impact on Tesla's stock performance today. Additionally, there is exciting news coming from China regarding Tesla's Cybertruck. Overall, the long-term outlook appears promising. Financial burden on Tesla's business is likely to diminish in the coming years. Draws a lot of attention during its national tour in the nation. Rumors are starting to circulate that Tesla may release a scaled-down Cybertruck to comply with Chinese road regulation. In a market where 8 million electric vehicles were sold last year, the attention that Tesla receives, whether it is for the Cybertruck or any other model, portends promising developments as Tesla continues to capture people's attention. Global consumers, the EV revolution is clearly well underway. The attention that Tesla's newest products are receiving in China says a lot about their attractiveness on a global scale and their ability to influence transportation in the future, since people who still rely on cable television may be less exposed to information related to electric vehicles. A Super Bowl commercial could be a calculated move to reach this demographic. It's worth considering whether Tesla should seize this opportunity. Tesla's recently published 10K report highlights their historical ability to achieve sales without resorting to traditional advertising while maintaining relatively low marketing expenses. However, in 2023, Tesla's advertising efforts underwent a transformation with approximately 400 different ads now in circulation. This shift towards a more targeted advertising campaign seems to be yielding results, indicating a potential avenue for growth. We would appreciate hearing your opinions in the space provided for comments below. The weekly insurance registration numbers from China, which are scheduled for release tomorrow, may also have an impact on Tesla's stock. If the numbers match expectations in the range of 11,000 to 13,000, the stock may see a notable increase, as Tesla has refrained from providing official guidance. These weekly numbers now have more weight impacting Tesla's performance and the mood of the market as a whole, notwithstanding today's over 3 increase. The relative strength index for Tesla is still at 24.44. By the end of 2022, the company's global workforce had grown from 128,000 to an astounding 473,000 workers globally. Now that Tesla has filed its 10th report, viewers can expect an upcoming Tesla all-hands meeting, which Elon Musk is expected to share with the public. Moving on, let's focus on CNN's coverage of the truck display at a Tesla store in China. While Tesla continues to be a popular choice among e-enthusiasts, questions remain about how quickly the company updates its models, particularly in contrast to its Chinese rivals. The interesting thing to notice is that the Chinese name for the Cybertruck does not include the word truck, despite the difficulties presented by the regulatory framework. Beyond just the name, the strategic choice may indicate Tesla's ambitions for the Cybertruck's future in China. As we continue our coverage, let's examine these broader ramifications. Yet another, the shift in 10-year Treasury yields, which have dropped by about 6.2 basis points to settle at 4.9 despite the lack of economic news today, is the driving force behind Tesla's performance today. The Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index for the prior month was rather dismal, coming in at minus 27.4, far higher predicted minus 23. This supports the idea that the Federal Reserve should think about cutting rates sooner rather than later. Tomorrow looks promising because there will be numerous important economic data releases in both the US and Europe. Watch out for our upcoming video, where we explore these facts in more detail, establish standards, and offer insights. Moreover, due to the date of this video, we do not yet have the exact numbers, but preliminary data indicates that institutions and hedge funds have placed 710 orders totaling $181 million with a favorable order value of 55 on Tesla stock. In terms of short positions in Tesla, which are currently valued at a substantial $14.78 billion, with a 2.92 in short interest of free float. The call side volume constituted 52.2.2 compared to 47.72 for the put side. Notably, the cost to borrow is at a maximum of approximately 2.3 today. Approximately 2.34 million shares were borrowed, possibly for short-selling purposes, while approximately 677,000 shares were returned. This Friday's open interest is heavily weighted toward the call side at 57. A potential dry powder reservoir for shorting Tesla is 1.66 million shares. But since the market seems to be moving in Tesla's favor, these short positions may want to reconsider. Let's speak about the participation ratio. This metric determines how many distinct accounts are contributing to a topic by dividing the number of messages posted on a stream by the total number of messages on that stream. A nationwide tour of Tesla's Cybertruck in China, and there was talk about the potential creation of a smaller Cybertruck version that would comply with Chinese road laws. It was also mentioned that Tesla's advertising ship has the potential to air a Super Bowl commercial, and that weekly insurance registration numbers from China are anticipated. Now, it's your turn, viewers. What do you think about Tesla's performance, strategic moves, and potential Super Bowl commercial? Before we end up, please feel free to express your thoughts in the comment area below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Tesla Insights for all the most recent developments. We appreciate your participation today and hope to see you in our upcoming video. Stay tuned.